heart. I don't know, I just thought about how it's my best friend's favorite movie, and she also enjoyed the series then. And just to know that I'm being a part of that, I just felt really honored that I was trusted. Grace, I would say she's a very outgoing person, very kind, bubbly. She can be very energetic as well. I'm so excited. I'm really looking forward to the execution of the whole team, especially with Direct. And I trust his vision, and I know that so many people are going to like it. So.
Here comes Grace. A warm welcome to Hyacinth Caliado. Okay, please stay center stage for your solo photo. Again, thank you to all our friends from the press and content creators. Maraming salamat for being here. Okay, thank you.
Yung pagkaraman ko ng We Got the Romance. And I was really excited and grateful na makasama si Baji. Si Baji isa siyang anak ng one of the wealthiest sa country, and then, you know, I could say, medyo mayabang. He gets whatever he wants, so through money. I think Pat is a bad genius because he's really good with money, and he uses it, you know, to get whatever he wants. And he plays a big role dito rin sa gagawin nilang heist kasi siya yung kukuha ng mga clients, di ba? He's street smart, basically.
Let's hear it for Gab Lagman as Pat. Hi, Gab.
Hello, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagbigay ng time to be with us. And yeah.
Of course, we have Haya. Ngayon we have Gab. Hi, Gab. Hi, Gab. Okay.
Nung binigay sa akin yung project, syempre, first nagulat ako kasi after yung series, may another project. And then, I feel grateful kasi pinagkatiwalaan tayo ng Viva na magkaroon ng panibagong work. Si Bank ay isang mapagmahal na anak. And straightforward siya na tao, and meron siyang sariling values na sobrang sinusunod niya, especially when it comes to following rules, you know, being definitive with right and wrong. Siguro yung very big pivotal moment niya na from being sobrang firm sa values niya to doing something really bad na, I don't want to spoil everything to you guys. Abangan nyo, kasi literal na naging bad genius talaga siya. Really excited, beyond words yung excitement ko kasi it's really different from everything that I did from my past. Excited akong gawin yung mga pivotal moments niyan, di ba?
Put your hands together for Jairus Aquino as Bang. Napaka-pogi. Hello, Jairus.
Ayan, hello po sa inyo lahat. Salamat po sa pagpunta. And yan, enjoy lang tayo. Good day. Thank you po.
Alright.
Sa totoo lang, naiiyak ko sa bahay. When I found out, parang surreal moment. And syempre naman, super grateful ko kasi this is such a big opportunity and this is my first, and I'm so honored to do such a great project with a great team. Si Lynn is, of course, syempre naman genius siya, pero she's also very mysterious. Maraming siyang personalities in a way, and that's going to reveal as the show progresses, and I'm excited for you guys to see that. What makes Lynn a bad genius? Siguro yung intuition niya at observation skills. Dahil sobrang matalino siya. Strategizer, planner, lahat. Pero, mabait pa rin si Lynn. As Silver. Of course, kasi all we will go through exams, you know, to go to school, actually mirrors what it will be like for an average student taking the exams, yung kaba, yung excitement, yung pinagdaanan as a student for exam stress. Yeah. How would I describe my excitement for the show? Ganito. Hindi ko alam kung kasya sa camera or frame, pero ganun, sobrang excited.
Please give a big round of applause for Atasha Mulak as Lynn. Yan, please say hi to our guest today.
Hello everyone, good afternoon to you all. And I just want to say maraming salamat sa oras niyo for today. And I'm excited to tell you guys more about this project upcoming. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much. Our social media pages. Thank you everybody who's joining us there. Thank you so much. Now let's look towards the left side of the room naman po. To all of our guests here, thank you so much for joining us. The Story Conference. Thank you to our esteemed guests, media partners, and of course the brilliant minds behind the show. Don't forget to download Viva One and subscribe.